Hi, your essay is good. Your understanding of the text, I think, is good. Um, I'll need a little bit focus. We talk about that in a minute. Now look at the organization of the ideas. The ideas of the text, I think you're in a group. You can discuss it well. It's reflected from this paragraph. It's brilliant, yeah. But there is something missing in your intro. Um, Yeah, now look at the next paragraph. The next paragraph is about stabilizing the currency. Okay, then you give two examples. Then here, a nation can maintain no more than two conditions: fixed rate, national monetary, uh, and so on. So that's another thing. Um, that's about the currency as well. Here and then you talk about maintaining currency is not an easy job. So basically, you're going to talk about currency in general and exchange rate and things like that. Um, but if that's the idea to be developed in your essay, in this introduction, um, you did not put any specific sentence talking about currency, just this one. All countries made their currency convertible to gold per ounce, but all changed after World War II because of the debt all countries had. My question is, are you going to explain in your essay, are you going to elaborate this or something else? Because it's not in sequence, gitu ya. Jadi di sini harus stated clearly apa yang mau diomongin, gitu kan? Kalau itu yang diomongin tentang currency eh, berkaitan dengan exchange rate, em, ini tentang currency, stabilize dan seterusnya. Ini tentang maintaining currency dan seterusnya. Ini juga tentang maintaining currency. Jadi kalimat di sini ada yang kurang direct gitu. Ya, supaya agak jelas saya kasih contoh pekerjaan teman lain. Ya, ini contoh dari kelompok lain. Em, Dia menjelaskan globalization in general, ya sampai sini. Terus they said globalization affects market in terms of commodities, labor, and finance. Okay, and then dia bilang the third type of market, finance, will be the subject of the discussion. Jadi dia limit sampai finance aja yang mau didiskusiin gitu. Terus finance is the easiest way to globalize dan seterusnya. Nah, kelemahan dari essay ini, kalimat ini tidak dijelaskan di sini. Harusnya dijelaskan panjang lebar, 2-3 contoh atau evidence atau apa. Baru on the other hand, gitu. Terus globalization of finance had long histories. Jadi ngomong finance-nya, ini historinya, ini historinya sampai ke bawah. Gitu ya. Terus dia globalization, as globalization continues, floating rates are common nowadays. Ini dia ngomongin tentang currency-nya gitu. So it's a specific gitu ya. Jadi runtut gitu ngelihatnya. Ya, saya kasih contoh satu lagi. Ya, contoh satu lagi from another group, ngomong tentang globalization is the increase dan seterusnya sampai di sini. That's a general. Then in the development of globalization in the finance sector had its development journey. Jadi dia hanya akan menjelaskan tentang development journey-nya. Tahapnya stage described below. Nah ini masih bahasa Indonesia nih harusnya dibetulin gitu kan. Lalu start the first period ini dia jelasin. Second period dia jelasin. Third period dia jelasin. From the fourth period until World War II dan seterusnya dia jelasin. Ya, jadi fokus gitu. So from one text you can look at it from different angles. Tidak ada benar, tidak ada salah gitu. But the most important is how you organize your thought and your thinking. It's a little bit hard karena memerlukan high order thinking. Makanya kerjanya harus kerja kelompok untuk melatih itu, gitu ya. So tidak harus ditulis ulang. Then you have to choose one text later from the psikologi. I'll show you. Okay, so you do not have to rewrite. Tapi mencoba mengolah teks yang lain. You go to preparation material for final test, klik. Text for essay writing, klik. Terus pilih salah satu. Tapi jangan pilih transportation karena sudah kita diskusikan kan. Pilih salah satu dari Better Way of Online Privacy, Biogas or something yang agak nyaman. Pikirkan yang agak nyaman, yang kira-kira nyaman sama teman-teman gitu kan. Then write the essay, email me, and then I'll give you another input. Gitu. Thank you.